Well, relationships, to build good relationships with people, I would say ABC. Always be caring. You have to generally care for the person. Usually when somebody calls someone else, they actually want something from them or something. But if you call and say, hey, I remember, like something like more personal. Okay, hey, I remember you mentioned to me that your daughter is going to start soccer last week. You said that she's going to start, and I was just thinking of you because I was passing by this thing and your property. I was passing by the property. So how has she done? Did she enjoy the soccer game? That's fantastic. It's like a deeper level. So some people, it's when they communicate, they just very mechanical. So this property, yeah, what's the square footage? What's the height? What's the thing? That's like level 1 communication. It's not going to build rapport with an owner. Level 2 will be like, so what are you going to do when you sell this property? We're probably going to do a 1031 exchange into an apartment building or another unit that I'm looking at and all this. So time is of the essence for me. Wow, this is fantastic. So how is it moving the money to this other property going to help you achieve your goals? Well, it's just less hassle for us because it has a management company. Now you're getting into a little bit more real conversation. The best thing I find is to get through the emotional part, not logical, like, okay, you sell this, you do that. That's logical. So there is the kind of superficial relationship. Tell me the bedrooms, tell me the size, tell me the height. To the logical one, like what would you do with the money? To the emotional one, how would investing the money passively when you roll it into this other deal will change your life and your family life? You will be amazed once people start opening up, the change. Like, well, my wife is gonna love it because we have not done this, or my husband is gonna be so excited about this because I spend every weekend doing open houses. This is the only property we have. Once we do this, I don't have to work full time anymore or on weekend. And now you're having conversations. So naturally, if you have active listening to get that deeper part about their personal life or what they're trying to accomplish, and when they ask you something, you are so transparent that it's almost shocking. Like, wow, this guy's so honest. It's like, oh, in my life, I worked my way up and I just started this and that. And now I've done a couple deals and I like this. So you will get them to know you and you will manage their expectation of you. That radical transparency is a shortcut to the trust. And once there is trust, everything happens. But true trust, not you're not like playing games with them. I usually am interested in people. So I use that. I don't know if you ever heard the formula, the initials Ford, F-O-R-D. So if I talk to somebody, I ask them about their family first. Also, you're married? You have kids? Yeah. What do you do? Oh, you are, this guy yesterday, I was just talking to him for 2 minutes. We had a break, he came over, talked to me, and I could tell he's very proud of his tattoos all over. And I said, so you have a family? Yeah. Married, I have 2 kids. Great, so what do you do? He said, I'm an influencer. Oh, I was interested right away. So family, occupation, that's the fourth, F-O. I said, oh my God, that's fantastic. Yeah, I do this, and so what do you do for recreation, like to have fun? See, this is the R for the Ford. He said, oh, believe it or not, we go to Las Vegas a lot. We do this. And look, I have a tattoo shop also, and look at the work I did. That's fantastic. So what are your dreams? So all of a sudden, he goes from this to the goals. So the fourth is family, occupation, recreation, and dreams. I asked him about his dreams. He sat down. We were standing. I had to sit. And he started telling me about his dreams, and he's going to do this and he's doing that, showed me pictures, or he was in Las Vegas and he did this event and he bought this car and stuff. And we felt we really had a good connection. And he said to me, I can brand you. I told him, hey, I have this, my YouTube website. We got 3,500 videos and we have this and that. And he's like, I can brand you. You know what? I usually charge $25,000 for 90 days, but I can give you a guarantee. I'll just give you 50% off, a guarantee, somebody with your caliber, the way you do things. So he started offering me things, giving me discounts, giving me guarantees, just because we got real with each other. I could have kept it like, oh, nice tattoos. And he would have said, yeah, I have a shop and we're doing the tattoos. It's in Vegas. We make good money there. We also are influencers. Conversation ended, very superficial, level one.